Okay guys, I'm using the runner tape from Walmart, and I just ran a strip down the middle for some embellishments, which are my bows. And I'm just going to use some recycled packaging. I usually like to use what I have. I don't want to spend money on the clear bags yet. Not yet. Especially if you have stuff like this. I try to keep all my packaging from like from stickers and stuff like that. And you can see this is from Dollar Tree. I mean, not Dollar Tree, Target. And I forgot to sign it. So I think I would just use this right here. And maybe a tag. Just like, just get the image that I want. And then sewing back. And that covers up the majority of the stuff you don't want to be seen. Now that I see it, I don't like that. I like these because you can frame out what you want. Alright, now just stick that on there. It looks just to cover it up. Okay, it's even better, it covers up a lot better. So now, yeah. Okay guys, I'm just gonna sign it. That's it. That's what it is. There it is. And I'm going to put it back in the packaging. Just like that. Cute. Cute enough. And stick it back in. Yeah, just like that. And there are my bows. Okay? And I think I want to put some of those in here. It'll fit just like that. Okay. That's how I like to put it. And the stickers are in there, and I think I would just pop these onto foam nuts. Now it's starting to get thick. And it's going to be thick. I'm trying to think. Ooh. It's very good here. Here, here. It's down. It's down. I forgot I had hot glue on that thing. There we go. Just like that. And then I think back here will be another. Oh no, I was supposed to put something in here. Will it fit? Will this fit in here? It might not. Okay. Okay, how about we put that in here? Nope, it is not going there. How about this one? And this one fits better. Yeah. This one. And just move it and move it and move it until it fits the right way. Now that this one's nice and stretched out, put this in here. Just like that. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so cool. It's so cute though. I want to put a pocket here. Okay, here's the pocket. I am putting ruffles on this. Doesn't really have to be perfect. I'm just scrunching until my glue gets cold. And there's our ruffle. Our little pocket right here on the back. I just have to put what tape do I use? Because I don't like the tape on this. Like, okay. Okay, and it's down. It's down. Sorry for the noise in the background. My kids, my child. Okay, so let me finish this edge right here because I put it on the wrong way. So there you go, just pinch a little bit and it should scrunch up. All right, I'm gonna add some more here. And just pinch, 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 pinch. Ooh. And then I'm going to cut. All right, guys, and then the last part, I didn't put anything in this pocket yet, but that is where I'm going to put my little note. And the last part I wanted to show you, I pulled the washi tape off the edge here, and I put a piece of paper, make it sturdier, and this little piece is from the top of the page right here, from the very top of the 12 by 12 sheet, and it just says a summer story right there. And that's all for my project share, and I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.